These are the Thor weapon system facilities at Vandenberg Air Force Base, California, Pacific Missile Range Test Site. Complex 75-1 at Vandenburg contains 2 wet pads. Complex 75-2 contains 3 dry training pads, and Complex 75-3, 2 dry pads. Thor 142 was shipped to Vandenburg from Douglas, Santa Monica during August of 1958. This operationally configured missile was used for facilities checkout of launcher number 1, Complex 75-1. Following this checkout, Thor 142 was removed from the stand and made available for additional facility checkouts and training. Thor 151 was then mounted on Launch Stand 1 to be used for the first demonstration launch of a ballistic missile from Vandenburg, with launching to be accomplished by a SAC crew. Thor 151 was essentially of the IOC configuration, departing from that version only in those functions peculiar to the Vandenburg range, instrumentation and range safety. The launch facility is also modified to accommodate range safety and is different from the IOC configuration in its capability for static firings. The primary objective of the launching of Thor 151 was to demonstrate the WS-315A weapon system from the standby status through impact on the selected target. In order to achieve this, the following specific objectives were designated. 1. Demonstrate the operational countdown equipment and procedures. 2. Demonstrate satisfactory performance of the launch position equipment. And 3. Demonstrate the performance of the WS-315A missile. Secondary objectives included demonstration of the operation of the airborne telemetry, the ground instrumentation system, and the range safety system. Thor 151 was launched on 16 December 1958. The launch occurred just 19 minutes after the launch order was given. The airframe propulsion control system operated properly, and excellent closed-loop inertial guidance system performance was obtained. Successful separation and re-entry of the nose cone was achieved. Impact occurred in the designated target area. All missile and ground support equipment systems operated normally in every respect. Post-launch evaluation indicated no significant damage to the launch pad. The flight test objectives for Thor 151 were achieved to a spectacular degree. The operational countdown equipment and procedures operated as scheduled. The missile performed satisfactorily. Airborne telemetry was received satisfactorily. The missile was tracked by the range safety radar. Thus, operational capability for the Thor missile in terms of equipment, procedures, and skills was successfully demonstrated. An operational Thor countdown using IOC equipment was demonstrated. The adequacy of interim instrumentation and range safety systems was demonstrated. All support activities were successfully coordinated and implemented as directed in the SAC launch order. This flight test, the culmination of an intense effort, demonstrated that the Thor missile, ground support equipment, and operational crews could be coordinated to achieve a successful missile launching in an operational environment.